TCS, a big shot in the arm as it bagged the biggest ever outsourcing deal for an IT company worth $2.25 billion. TV rating firm Nielsen renewed its outsourcing contract with the company for another 5 years. This comes as a big boost as the CEO, Rajesh Gopinathan, replaced N. Chandra just earlier this year. My colleague Chandra Srikanth joins in with all the details. Chandra, a mega deal for the stock, and you saw mega reaction as well.
Shot in the arm for TCS, and looks like Christmas, New Year has arrived early for them as well, because this is the biggest deal for Indian IT. Even if it's a renewal, $2.25 billion in the current environment is huge. And the relationship with Nielsen really dates back to 2007 when they first won a $1 billion deal. This then got extended in 2013 when the scope was again expanded to 2.25, but this is a fresh deal, fresh renewal that they have now got for $2.25 billion. As a result of this, for the next 3 years, they are assured of an annual business from Nielsen of at least $320 million, and for the next 4 years after that, it will be $187 million, and the final year, which is 2025, they stand to gain about $135 to $136 million. So in the current environment, getting so much of revenue assurance from a client is certainly a big shot in the arm, and it's also a shot in the arm for Rajesh Gopinathan, who, remember, took charge as TCS CEO. He had some very big shoes to fill from N. Chandrasekaran, but this will also go down as a move that will raise more confidence as far as the current management of TCS is concerned.